In spring 2022, BMW M will sharpen the profile of its high-performance sports cars in the luxury segment by means of targeted design modifications and optimized operation. Additional possibilities for individualizing the appearance are provided by the M-Light's Shadow line, which are available for the first time for the luxurious high-performance sports cars. Power is provided by a V8 engine with M-twin power turbo technology, which mobilizes a maximum output of 625 horsepower and a maximum torque of 750 Nm. Accelerating from a standstill to 100 km/h takes just 3.2 seconds.